Today I turned on my cell phone and it keeps turning on and off, or sometimes it gets stuck on the logo. Well, this video tutorial is completely self-help. You won't need to take it to a technician. You'll be able to fix it yourself in this video tutorial. If you follow it step by step, what happened? There could be many reasons. Maybe your device didn't update to the latest version, and suddenly it froze. Maybe you had it in your pocket and it got pressed too hard and it stuck turning on and off, or the screen froze. There could also be other issues. An error like this, how we fix and recover this is very easy. Very simple. You'll do exactly as we'll explain. Press the power button and the volume down button at the same time and perform a forced restart. We'll make the phone turn off. Release the buttons, then press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Release the power button when your phone's logo appears, and you'll be able to enter recovery mode. We have several options here. Updating the phone's software, which is much more complicated. Or we have the easier option. The easiest option would be this. Select the option that says, Wipe Data. Select it here. Scroll down, click here, and then click where it says Wipe Data. What does this mean? By doing this, your phone will automatically erase all the information. It will be formatted, it will be reset. That would be one of the options we can use. Formatting it to recover it. The other option would be to update the software, and when the software update happens, this will erase all the information on your phone. This is the most reliable method that will almost always work. Unless your phone has a software error, in which case it won't work. It could be an operating system error, perhaps, because the latest versions weren't updated, or an internal problem. However, this method works for over 80% of users. What do we have to do? Click here where it says, Wipe All Data. Select it, scroll down here, and click, Confirm. Click, Confirm, again. This will reset your phone, erasing all that information. Wait until it reaches 100%, and then do the following. This works for you. Leave a comment to let us know, so we can help you with the software. Click here. Then click here where the first option says, Restart Device. Restart it, and now wait a few seconds until it takes you to the home screen. Let's see if this works or not. Come back in a few seconds. Okay, let's keep waiting here. We've been here for a few minutes. And we're almost there. It'll take us directly to where we can start. Okay, here we can see that our device has been fully and successfully recovered. Now we just need to configure it. For those of you who found our video helpful, please subscribe, turn on notifications, like, share, leave a nice comment, and make a donation. A big thank you.